Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Roblox not launching on PS5. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with Roblox here and it's not launching on your PS5, well in this case, there's something that you could try doing here. Now we actually found this forum here and a bunch of users are encountering the same problem. Now according to one user here, what they did is they went to their settings and then their security and go to PlayStation. Now they just press the option here that says disconnect, and also you need to keep in mind that this logs you out from your Roblox account or in the app itself and on PlayStation here. So all you have to do is just log in and use the quick login Roblox PlayStation option. Now from then on, it should actually give you the option to log in and fix any issues you might be encountering. And even according to the original poster here, this actually works, so you could go ahead and try it and see if that works for you. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.